Every high-performance diaper begins with virgin cellulose wood pulp, sustainably sourced and heavily compressed to form the foundation of the absorbent core. The mechanical defibration process separates the wood cellulose into individual hollow fibers, specifically designed to capture and distribute moisture instantly. Fiber quality is critical. Any remaining hard knots in the pulp could compromise the baby's comfort or puncture the delicate outer layers of the diaper. The true magic of modern diapers lies in the precise blending of cellulose fluff for rapid absorption and SAP crystals for super-absorbent polymers are complex acrylic acid networks capable of absorbing and trapping up to 300 times their own weight in liquid.
The rotary core former precisely controls the distribution of material, packing more SAP into the target absorption zones, and
embossed channels serve a critical hydrodynamic function, instantly wicking moisture away from the impact point and distributing it evenly across the entire core volume.
Once formed, the fragile absorbent core must be immediately wrapped in a soft, porous carrier tissue to prevent the SAP
Advanced construction adhesives are applied using specialized spray nozzles that create a randomized microweb of glue, maintaining the diaper's overall softness and flexibility. The outer shell of the diaper requires a remarkable engineering contradiction. It must be entirely waterproof to prevent leaks, yet completely breathable to prevent skin irritation. The back sheet is typically a microporous polyethylene film, where microscopic holes are stretched into the plastic.
Outlets. For major brands like Pampers, visual perfection is mandatory. High-speed vision systems ensure the printed characters are
nations. To mask the plastic feel of the waterproof film, a premium non-woven textile layer is laminated to the outside.
The chemical wetness indicator is a masterpiece of user convenience, a pH-sensitive strip that reacts to moisture, changing color from yellow to blue to alert parents.
The fundamental moisture-trapping architecture is now complete. The machine must now construct the complex interface that touches the baby's skin. The top sheet is perhaps the most sensitive component. It must be exceptionally soft against delicate skin.
Premium diapers feature a microscopically thin coating of protective lotion on the top sheet, designed to transfer to the baby's skin during use, acting as a barrier against irritation. Standing leg cuffs are the primary defense against side leakage. They require multiple strands of highly tensioned elastic to create a flexible, adaptive, and comfortable seal. The inner cuff material is fiercely hydrophobic, meaning it aggressively repels water, forcing escaping liquid back toward the absorbent core rather than allowing it to leak. The upper skin contact layers and the lower storage layers converge, compressed under intense pressure, to fuse into a single Symmetry is paramount. If the leg cuffs are off-center by even a few millimeters, the diaper's fit and leakage protection will be fatally compromised. With the core, barriers, and shells assembled, the massive continuous ribbon marches toward the final stages, the application of the mechanical fastening system. The fastening system converts a flat pad into a functional, wearable garment. This requires the high-speed application of stretchy ears that adapt to a baby's movement. The side panels must provide aggressive mechanical stretch to accommodate a full stomach after feeding, while instantly recovering to maintain a secure, leak-free. Modern premium diapers abandon messy adhesive tapes in favor of advanced micro-hook mechanical fasteners, which are impervious to baby powder and lotions. The frontal tape provides the soft loops that the micro-hooks lock into. It must be wide enough to allow for infinite adjustability as the baby grows. The flat, continuous ribbon of assembled materials must now be folded into the compact, three-dimensional shape required for packaging. The contour cutter is a masterpiece of precision machining, maintaining an edge that can cleanly sever synthetic polymers millions of times without dulling. The machine reaches its furious crescendo at the final cutoff. A massive rotary blade severs the endless. Precise folding at these speeds requires complex aerodynamics. The machine uses precisely directed jets of air to force the diaper to fold itself mid-flight. Before packaging, every unit runs a gauntlet of sensors. Any diaper exhibiting a missing tape, misaligned core, or metallic contamination is instantly flagged. Human oversight confirms the machine's accuracy. A missing drop of glue or a folded cuff that went undetected would cause failure during use. From raw wood pulp to a high-tech moisture management garment in under 5 seconds. The converting line represents the very pinnacle of high-speed automated assembly. The packaging systems must match the furious pace of the converters, encapsulating the tightly compressed stacks into iconic, retail-ready branded bags.
The speed is relentless. Robotic systems collate the retail bags into the large corrugated cases required for wholesale distribution and retail shelving.
The finished pallet, a towering monolith of protective comfort for infants, is secured and readied for its journey to store shelves worldwide.
Modern diapers are inherently bulky. A tremendous amount of warehouse volume is required to buffer the relentless, massive output of the converting lines. Premium diaper brands supply a global market. International shipments receive specialized security wrapping to prevent tampering during transit. Direct-to-consumer subscription models have revolutionized parents' access. Jumbo-sized monthly supply cartons are loaded directly onto delivery trucks here. The distribution center processes millions of units daily. Diapers are one of the fastest-moving consumer goods in the world. Neonatal and maternity wards require specialized, sterile bulk packaging, optimized for high-volume hospital use.
Due to their consistent demand and retail value, bulk diaper shipments require strict security monitoring at the loading docks. Real-time GPS tracking ensures chain-of-custody monitoring for these massive shipments of premium comfort. Every day, millions of precisely engineered, hyper-absorbent garments leave this facility bound for babies worldwide.
A commitment to sustainability demands that even rejected packaging and unsoiled diapers find a secondary use or recycling stream. Reclaimed fluff pulp and sap are downcycled to manufacture secondary products like industrial absorbents or pet pads, maintaining total zero-waste goals. From the command center, engineers monitor the entire integrated process, tracking the tension, speed, and alignment of every single web layer. Adjustments measured in fractions of a millimeter prevent thousands of diapers from failing the rigorous visual alignment tests downstream. The master display provides an instant macro view of the factory's health, allowing engineers to predict failures before they force a line shutdown. Changing a massive rotary contour die requires extreme precision and heavy lifting, severely constrained by the relentless pace of production goals. Every defect logged is aggressively investigated. Running 1,000 diapers a minute leaves absolutely no room for recurring mechanical errors. Innovation in diaper manufacturing hinges on chemistry, creating thinner, more flexible cores that absorb dramatically more liquid without uncomfortable swelling. The perfect, cloud-like consistency of the absorbent core depends on the microscopic alignment of incredibly heavy, fiercely spinning steel blades. While the world sleeps, the relentless pursuit of absorbent perfection continues unbroken through the night shift. The hunger of the machines is insatiable. Tons of super-absorbent polymer flow continuously from massive external silos directly into the blenders.
Automation allows highly skilled technicians to manage incredible production volumes, ensuring consistent quality even at 3 in the morning.
The engineered fabric reflects the massive research and chemical engineering embedded in every single disposable garment.
Inside these humming metal giants, compressed pulp is transformed instantly into the soft, absorbent cloud that forms the core of the product.
Absolute, hospital-grade cleanliness must be maintained 24 hours a day, without exception.
A flawless, continuous flow of finished products heading towards eventual distribution to tired parents worldwide.
The sheer speed of assembly is almost completely impossible for the human eye to track without high-speed camera assistance.
Every motion is mathematically calculated to maximize packing density and eliminate wasted seconds.
One perfect diaper, born from wood pulp, synthetic polymers, and hours of nanoscale engineering.
The data for the new batch is updated here on the tablet. Thank you. I'll take it from here.
This immense facility exists solely to master moisture control, ensuring comfort and health for infants.
It all culminates here, the ultimate test of super-absorbent polymers, robotic exactitude, and protective elastics in a quiet home. The factory breathes in dense wood cellulose and chemical crystals, and breathes out precision-engineered infant garments in perfect rhythmic balance. The promise of the factory delivered in full, a flawless, dry, and comfortable night's sleep for the infant, translating to peace of mind for the parent.
And so the cycle begins anew. More pulp, more polymer, more relentless precision.
From above, this monument to chemical engineering and hygiene appears as a pulsing heart of modern consumer manufacturing. The relentless blizzard of white absorbent pads continues its flawless trajectory. Perfection requires constant vigilance and unwavering adherence to chemical tolerances, ensuring the core absorbs rather than leaks. A masterful ballet of human operational oversight, married to violent, high-speed robotic capability. The engineering isn't just about absorption, it's intricately designed for reliability, ensuring parents never have to deal with catastrophic failures. A size and absorption tier designed for every stage of early childhood, all relying on the same fundamental mastering of the absorbent core. The complete journey from dense wood pulp bale to premium absorbent infant garment, captured in one awe-inspiring vista of technological might. A mark of quality guaranteed by decades of research and billions of dollars of continuous engineering investment.
The product vanishes into the background of a happy childhood, a daily necessity made flawless by unseen industrial mastery.
The absolute pinnacle of high-speed, continuous web automated manufacturing. The essential human element, bringing intuition and skilled oversight to the deafening mechanical giants. Even the top fabric is a marvel of fluid dynamics, designed to pull liquid down into the core in a millisecond, leaving the surface bone dry to the touch.
Raw, unrelenting mechanical power, controlled to the micrometer to create the softest possible fluff. The ultimate human sign-off on mass-produced perfection, clearing the pallets for shipping.
A cathedral of modern hygiene manufacturing, dedicated to the most vulnerable consumers on Earth.
Simple mechanics applied with nanoscale precision, a vital barrier between comfort and a parental nightmare.
The modern disposable diaper. Wood pulp, advanced polymers, and blistering speed. Behind it, a magnificent industrial ballet ensuring that a dry, peaceful night is always within reach.